Hi, my name is Abbas Kalima, digital content creator and the host of the Kalish Talk Show podcast. And today we are gonna be cooking breakfast. Yes, and a very essential element of breakfast is your English omelette. But today we're gonna be cooking it in a very special way with a little bit of sass, pizzazz, and pizzazz. One of the most essential things that I like to do is, I like small slices on absolutely every single thing. It's nice, you get to chew it, you get your food to taste good, and it blends the taste well. Onion is your base for absolutely everything. Exactly. So, and it actually makes it easier to fry, because if you had huge chunks, and especially if you're going to do it with omelette, it makes it a little bit difficult to cook. Again, boom, bell pepper, green bell pepper, sweet, beautiful. It's an antioxidant, and it is delicious. Again, I do not like to waste my vegetables, but this is pretty much done at this point. Again, dicing it. I like to dice and show it's good and show it's nice. It's gonna taste way better. So it's gonna be beautiful. I like to have a few spices in my egg, just to make it a little bit better. So I have a little bit of chili. I don't know if you can see it there, just for color, not a lot. Some garlic salt, garlic again, beautiful. It tastes nice. And to top it off, some black pepper. Nice. Now we put our, our egg. And you love to say it, don't you? Beautiful. Just beautiful. And so while that is happening, one extra thing that we could do is add some cheese. Yes. The cheese brings a little bit of that pizzazz and zang that I was talking about before. Nice and beautiful. That's how you normally want your omelette. Just a tidbit golden brown. Beautiful. After you finish plating it, you're noticing some 2 slices there. Yes, so some cinnamon toast. Yeah, top it off some cinnamon toast. You have an amazing breakfast, but you also have to have a balanced breakfast. So slide in some fruit salad there. Why not? And you have amazing, beautiful meal.